Hello traders, in today's video I want to show you a new feature that's recently been added to the thinkorswim desktop platform. We can now set OCO price alerts right on the price chart. So I want to get rid of that. I want to bring in a 5-minute chart maximized. So in order to set price alerts, this is not changed. We just want to right click on the chart someplace and go down and click create alert. We now have this add OCO condition, so I'm going to click that, and that brings up a second alert. Now you can, as far as the price is concerned, I like to use the last price, so I'm going to change both of these to last. We have an at or above and an at and above. We're going to need to change this one. I like to use at or below and at and above. Now we can change our prices two ways. We can use the plus minus to change the price, and let's bump that up a little bit, and I can click here with the mouse in backspace. Let's bring that one down to 598. How about 32? Let's bring this one down. I would like to see this one trigger. We're starting to fail here. We'll get that too low. Okay, now let's click create. So we've got two price alerts on the chart, and if the spiders gets over 50, okay, there it is. Once the spiders got over 599.51, the alert triggered and both alerts disappear. Now, that doesn't last long on the platform, so what I like to do is send text alerts to my phone, and I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. So we need to go up here to the upper right hand part of the platform and click on Setup and click Application Settings. I'm hiding some account numbers here with this WordPad, Notepad. So once we're here, we need to click on Notifications. Okay, now if we want alerts sent to our email address, we can enter that here. Down here is where we put in our phone number, and I've got my phone number covered up for privacy reasons. And that's all there is to it. You may have to tweak some things down in here, but I use alerts every day. I love them. I set price alerts on options. I set price alerts on the price chart. So anyway, I think that's all for today. If you enjoyed this content, like the video, subscribe to the channel. I would appreciate it. And until next time, great trading, everyone.